Zamling kangsar shiupe pyogi ge yige luksel dang nangchela tonan nangken sangma langaro tile shugiye ta di kese tiwe lendre kesa tiwa tangbo de kalesana adverb of degree first one quite it is quite good it is very good, it is exceptionally good, it is exceedingly good, it is extraordinarily good. So, it is quite good, it is quite good, it is quite good. It is quite good. His Tibetan is quite good. His Tibetan is quite good. This one. So it is quite good. Te ya ga yak ta ga tak cha naro cho da che ao da shatu du ga duk. Te yak tak che duk. Yak coming from good. So the rule is, as we did yesterday, some adjectives have two syllables, some have three, 1, 2, 3, some have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The rule is, as we did yesterday, omit the last syllable. If it's just two syllabled adjective, omit the last one. If it is three syllabled adjective word, omit the last syllable. So, good, how do we say good? Yak po. So we take out the word po and then we are left with just yak. So it's quite good. Yak tak che duk. Te yak tak che duk. It's quite easy. Le la po. Le la po. Omit the last syllable. Le la tak che duk. Ka le kak po. Take out the po and then it's quite difficult. Ka le kak tak che duk. Yak tak che duk. So this is for, it is quite good, it's quite good. It is very good. Te yakpo shetak duk. Te yakpo shetak duk. And in this case, we can have shetak in front of adjective. Te shetak yakpo duk. Te shetak yakpo duk. Te yakpo shetak duk. And the third one is, it is exceptionally good. Exceptionally. Pe. Te pe yakpo duk. Te pe yakpo duk. It is exceedingly good. Exceedingly. Shibochik. Te yakpo shibochik duk. Te yakpo shibochik duk. And then it is extraordinarily good. Te tao patingbope makikumi saratasa sakiku si dasi pemisi te pemisi yapo tuk. Now you might be thinking, last time I was using yore and today I'm using duk. So with adjective related sentences, you can either use yore or duk, but there is a slight difference. I will explain this later on. But you are all the time right to say duk or yore. Te yak thakche yore, te yakpo sheta yore, te pe yakpo yore, te yakpo shipo chik yore, te pe misi yakpo yore. Ta is, was, where, is, was, where, all these are called auxiliary linking verbs. So duk, yore is auxiliary in Tibetan. If the sentence is related with adjective, it is cold today, it's big, you can always finish your sentence with auxiliary duk or yore. Now for Nepali speaking students, te yak thakche yore. त्यो सारै नै राम्रो अब नेपालीमा चाहिँ रहेछ. त्यो सारै नै राम्रो रहेछ. सारै नै भन्नु पर्दाखेरि पछाडिको लाई काटेर अनि थक्छ जोड्ने. त्यो सारै नै राम्रो छ भन्नु पर्यो भने चाहिँ ते या थक्छ योरे. त्यो सारै नै राम्रो रहेछ भन्नु पर्यो भने चाहिँ ते या थक्छ दुख. अब सेकेन्ड, त्यो एकदमै राम्रो छ, ते यापो शेटक रहेछ दुख. त्यो साह्रो राम्रो छ, ते यापो शेटक योरे. त्यो अत्यन्तै राम्रो छ. त्यो अत्यन्तै राम्रो छ, ते पे यापो योरे. और ते पे यापो योरे और दुख. सिपोचिक अब अलिकति बोल्ती भाषामा त्यस्तो भन्छ होला, लिखित भाषा हैन होला. भयंकरै, त्यो भयंकरै राम्रो छ, त्यो भयंकरै ठुलो छ, भयंकरै, त्यो भयंकरै राम्रो रहेछ, ते यापो सिपोचिक दुख. त्यो भयंकरै राम्रो छ, ते यापो सिपोचिक योरे. असाध्यै राम्रो, असाध्यै. त्यो असाध्यै राम्रो रहेछ, ते ताओ पाटिङबोपे माकिकुमी सारातसा सकिकुसी दासी ते पे मिसी यापो दुख. ते पे मिसी यापो योरे. Technically, saratasa kikusi dasi is possible and makikumi is negative. So technically it's like saying it is impossibly good. It is extraordinarily good. Tepe misi yapoduk. So the rule is quite good, quite far, quite. omit the last syllable and add takchu. Very shetak. Exceptionally pe. Exceedingly shibochik. Extraordinarily pemisi. And let me think. Yeah. And then you also say it is simply good. It is simply good. It is simply good. नेपालीमा भन्ने हो भने चाहिँ राम्रै छ, टाढै छ, राम्रै छ, टाढै छ त्यस्तो भन्नु पर्यो भने चाहिँ कसरी भन्नु पर्ने? It is simply good. This is again a question for you. It is simply good. It is simply good. नेपालीमा सजिलै छ, राम्रै छ, त्यो कसरी भन्ने? And after learning this, you can answer this question. It is simply good. It is simply easy. Okay, so with this, I have to stop my class here. I hope it's helpful to you, and please like it. Try to answer it. Learn from your mistake. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Our mantra is डर के आगे जीत है. Overcome your fear and the victory, and you are in front of victory. Or overcome your fear and you are very close to achieving your aim. It goes to something like this. Okay, so with this, ani sensi nang bala changmala thuche nang ani chungna sangin jelyong